You've worked so hard on your video, your latest masterpiece, and you immediately think,
oh, I know, I'm gonna send this to my family and friends. They would love this video, they would love it.
wrong. I'm here to tell you why this might just be the worst idea ever. Buckle up because this is about to get real. We're gonna look at the awkward truth about family and friends support. Okay, first things first, sharing your content with your family and friends might seem like the best way to get support early on. And hey, they love you, right? But here's the catch. Just because they love you doesn't mean they will love your content. And it's not their fault. Here's the deal. Your family and friends aren't necessarily your right audience. Imagine sending your brand new makeup tutorial to your dad. Do you think he's gonna click, like, subscribe, and follow up along your contour tips? Or imagine sharing your latest rap video with your grandma. She's probably more like into knitting or cooking tutorials than listening to your fine bits, no matter how hot you think they are. I once sent one of my best videos to my aunt, and do you know what her reply was? That's nice, honey, but how do I watch it on my TV without going online? I mean, come on. You're out here trying to build a fan base and they're just trying to figure out how to cast your video in a living room screen. Now, let's look at why family and friends aren't your right audience. Family and friends can be very supportive, but they are not always your ideal audience. Remember, your goal is not to make videos for your cousin who probably watches TikTok dance challenges every single time, or your friend who loves watching reality TV. You are trying to build a community of people who resonate with your message, content, and your style. I'm gonna tell you this for free. If you focus too much on family and friends support, you can start doubting yourself. They might say things like, that's too long, or why don't you make something more practical? And before you know it, you're changing your content to please them instead of your actual audience. And of course, they won't watch it. It's like trying to sell vegan smoothies at a barbecue cookout. It just doesn't fit. Let's say you are a tech reviewer and you make an in-depth review of the latest gaming laptop. You send it to your cousin, but they are into gardening. Their feedback? It's cool, but I think you should do something with more flowers. Now, what happens when you rely on friends and family? Relying on family and friends for your early views and likes can lead to a harsh wake-up call. You are definitely setting yourself up for disappointment. You send videos to them expecting nice comments. Oh wow, I'm so proud of you. But instead, maybe a nice joke here and there. The worst part is you realize, wait, they didn't even watch it. They probably must have commented at the start of the video and clicked away. The truth is, your friends and family often do not have time, the interest, or the understanding of what you're trying to do. It doesn't mean they don't care, but they are just not your target audience. Here's a fun fact. My best friend, whom I thought would watch every single one of my videos, once told me, oh, I'll watch it later when I have more time. They never did. And guess what? I still love them. So who should you share your content with? The answer is simple. Your target audience. These are the people who are genuinely interested in your niche, your style, and your message. These are the people who will binge watch your videos, leave meaningful comments, and even share it to others who actually care. Instead of bombarding your family and friends, focus on getting your content out to people who actually need it. Post in relevant Facebook groups, join subreddits, use hashtags on social media, collaborate with other creators in your niche. These are the folks who will get your content and will be able to support you all the way through. Imagine you're creating fitness content. Instead of sending your videos to your friend who hasn't hit the gym in years, you share it in a fitness forum or a YouTube comment section for people looking to get fit. You will get way more feedback and actual traction that really matters. Now, it's okay to move on from friendly support. Here's the takeaway. If your family and friends do not understand or love your content, they are not your target audience, and that's completely fine. You will grow faster by reaching out to people who actually connect with what you're sharing. Remember, some of the most successful creators out there will stop that. They didn't get where they are by sharing their content with their family members and friends. They did it by connecting with their audience. Keep going, keep pushing, and don't be discouraged if your mom skips your video. At the end of the day, creating content is about passion and building a community. Don't let the lukewarm response from family and friends discourage you. Share your content with the people who want it, and trust me, they are out there. The internet is very huge and your audience is waiting. So go out there, make that content, make the content you love, and leave the rest to those who can't get it. And hey, if you're struggling with this, leave a comment below. I've got your back. Until next time, stay creative, stay driven, and remember, your true audience is out there waiting for you.